Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Installer's Assistant. Today I have a 2022 Golf R and we are going to remove the back door to get access to the speaker as the customer is going to be replacing them. For this job I'm going to need my trusty 4140 Pry Tool, a 10mm open-ended spanner and a T30 Torx bit. And depending on how many plugs left behind, I might need a normal Pry Tool. Alright, so if you've seen the front one, you'll know this is very similar to that. Underneath the door handle, there's a plastic panel to remove. And behind that is a T30. Our open-ended spanner goes right here. So that's a twist lock that does this. When it's closed, it's like such. We need to maneuver it around so it's pointing straight down. So now it's facing like this, and that'll allow the door to come around it. Now, as far as screws and attachments, that's it. On the front door, there's a screw behind here, not the same with the back doors. Now we get our trusty Pry Tool and pop the door card off. There'll be a series of clips around the door.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
I think my phone's too close to me. Okay, should be one more go up there, and one more up in here. Come on. There we go. And then the whole door will just pop up and off. So what I'm doing is putting my knee underneath and giving a bit of a push, because it's a pretty good seal around these cars. There we go. Alright, and then we can release our door latches and all our plugs for all the switches on the doors. Okay, so I can see I've left behind two clips. We'll pop that out. That's where this one comes in handy. These European clips are weird, so you don't want to go underneath that. You can never get it out. The spot is just in the front. Now it comes. So the end, sometimes at the top. And out it pops. Cool. So from here we can unrivet the speakers, pop the clip and change the speakers over. But that is how to remove the door of a 2022 Golf R. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification button for me so you'll see future vehicles and removals as they appear. Till next time.